going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are here at Jake's Drag Strip. Just unloaded the car here. The new car here. We're gonna make some test hits in it today. But let's go see who's here. Got Walker's here in the Kenny Bell car. You got the guys down there. You got 4-valve Chuckles and Silverback. There's Brett. There's James Carmel. Here's Nickel White down here. Down here we have Pony. What's up, Nickel?
What's up, man?
You gonna send it today?
Yeah, I need somebody to take my car.
I got you. I'll come back and get you in just a second. Then we have Pony here.
What's going on, my brother?
T. Hetzler in the house.
Can't get this car unloaded.
Yeah, I'm gonna go help him also. We got Pam over there and Candy. What's up, guys? And this guy.
What's up?
This guy. What's up, dude?
What's up, homie? No, you can't figure it out. That's like
Can't
the
figure it
awkward.
out.
That's like
Got
the awkward
Pony over
crap.
here in the house. Mr. Pony. We're gonna get Ken's car off the trailer here.
Hey, you know, physically, nothing wrong. Drop air.
Okay, so we're out here. Just made our fastest pass. 560, 128 60 foot. That was 3,600 RPM lead and 4 pounds of boost off the line, ramped into 18 or 16 pounds. So the car's getting faster every time, guys. It's gonna be fun. I got Xander and these guys out here. We're gonna go fast.
Alright guys, got a little over 20 minutes left staging lanes, just over 20 minutes left in the staging lanes. If you want to hit, you got about 20 minutes to do so. Staging lanes will close at 10 p.m. Staging lanes will close 10 p.m.
What's going on, guys? The DA is going down. We got the guys here. We got all the guys here. Got
What up, what up, what up?
Got T. Hetzler, 4-valve, and Aaron over here. The DA's going down. The dude's selling in, but guess what? We're about to send this sun gun once again, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, this morning after we're about to load this car up and head back home. I am impressed with the car for what it is, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the car is slow because it needs an anti-roll bar. What makes this car separate from running low fives versus 550s, 560s is the twist in the car. You're losing all that momentum, that energy. So, and again, you know, the shocks were all off. All the shocks were on a different setting. So we got some work cut out for us there. We're gonna get it back to the shop this weekend, put it on scales, scale it out, adjust the pinion angle. The pinion angle on this car is off terribly. And like I said, we gotta get an anti-roll bar. And guys, I really can't go much faster right now and feel good about it because the car has no cage, has no parachute, and anything under a 6.0 to me without a cage is you're pushing your luck. You know what I'm saying? If you wreck, you're pushing your luck. So guys, stay tuned with this build. We're gonna get this thing right. Like this video, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please go subscribe so you can watch me make this 1200 rear wheel horsepower at the moment. It's gonna go up, hit my goals, and we're gonna have fun with this car showing out with these coyotes. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one.